I am currently camping and wanted to provide a quick review of the Chinamaygood awning style windows that I installed in my Winnebago Travato Ram ProMaster van. I had ordered 3 of these windows, and one is a larger window, which is this one right here, which is on the sliding door, and then I have 2 smaller ones that are on the opposite side of the van, that I'll show in a minute. So overall, the windows look great, and the installation instructions were good. I like these windows. Initially, very easy to use, got multiple positions to hold out. It's got the screen that you can pull down. You can raise the privacy blind. You can see that this window is really nice. Big, clear, open views. So this was installed in April of 2025. So this is right about 6 months ago. And the other windows are not the same quality. So this is in my dining area. This is the one of the windows, and you can see you can't see through it. It's got like rainbow colors up here. It's sort of like light white as you look through it. Definitely, like, look at the color of those leaves and all the rainbow colors up top. There's something not right with this plastic. I think it's being affected by the UV sunlight. There's something not of the same quality, because here's the opposite side of the van. Windows bought at the same time, and again, this window has been in for 6 months. I only got around to installing these in May, so these are just 4.5 months installed, and they're not the same. They don't have the same quality. So we'll step out and I'll show a couple more things. So this is the outside view, and you can see right here there's moisture built up inside, right there and right there, and that's not on the surface. It's not behind it. It's actually inside, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with these seams. I've looked all the way around. There's no cracks or anything, but you can see just the coloration, how this window has degraded significantly. You've got bright colored spots here, moisture, and then as we get to the second window, and both of these were made at the same time. This one, as you change angles, you can kind of see this discoloration. And yesterday when I took some pictures, there were large moisture spots here. They're not here today, but you can kind of see there's all this weird coloration going on. So there's something inside the glass itself, or the plastic. I mean, you can just really see it here, how it's not totally clear anymore. It's been affected by sunlight, and these are only 4.5 months since being installed. This is what the window looked like when I first installed it. This is the view looking out of the window I installed 6 months ago. This is the view of the window I installed only 4.5 months ago. It's just very disappointing that the plastic, the acrylic, seems to be degrading quickly. And I've reached out to the company to find out what, if anything, they're going to do about it. And I'll let you know what they say.